Have you ever heard your chicken making those strange gurgling sounds? It can be a bit alarming, but there are a few reasons behind it. First, it might be a sign of respiratory issues. Chickens can catch colds just like us, so keep an eye out for other symptoms like coughing or nasal discharge. Then there's the possibility of them simply being excited or content. Chickens express their happiness in quirky ways, and gurgling can be a part of that. Another reason could be related to their diet. If they're eating too quickly or gulping down water, it can lead to those gurgling noises. Don't forget about the importance of hydration. Dehydration can cause all sorts of issues, including those odd sounds. Lastly, it could be a sign of a more serious condition like sour crop, where food ferments in their crop. If you notice any unusual behavior or persistent gurgling, it's best to consult a vet. Keeping your chickens healthy means keeping an ear out for their unique sounds.